Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine, and today I would like to show you how you can install and use an LED snap frame that is made as a faux window manufactured by Prime Light Boxes. First, install a Z-bar that comes with the frame on the wall and make sure it's leveled. Then, simply hang the frame on it and plug it in. You can order the frame with grids and a dimmer. We have a collection of images in the website for you to choose. We have installed drapes on the sides of the frame to hide the power supply and the dimmer. Once you have the frame on the wall, you can open it on 4 sides, place your poster behind the clear cover, and snap the 4 sides back. We have made a high-quality product that is very easy to install. Visit our website and see all the options for great faux window and posters.